Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of rechargeable batteries and exploring three rechargeable kings: lead-acid batteries, lithium-ion batteries, and sodium-ion batteries. These powerhouses have revolutionized the way we store and use energy, so let's jump right in.
Wide Edition Productions.
Our first contender for the rechargeable crown is the lead-acid battery. This technology has been around for over a century and has proven its reliability time and time again. Lead-acid batteries are commonly used in automotive applications, backup power systems, and even renewable energy storage. They're known for their robustness, affordability, and ability to deliver high bursts of power. However, they do have a few drawbacks, such as their relatively low energy density and the need for regular maintenance. Next up, we have the reigning champion of rechargeable batteries, lithium-ion batteries. These powerhouses have taken the world by storm, powering our smartphones, laptops, and electric vehicles. Lithium-ion batteries offer a high energy density, lightweight design, and excellent efficiency. They can be found in a wide range of applications, from portable electronics to grid-level energy storage. Their ability to hold a charge for a long time and their quick charging capabilities make them a popular choice for many consumers. However, it's worth noting that lithium-ion batteries require careful handling and have some safety concerns, especially if damaged or mishandled. Now, let's shift our focus to an up-and-coming contender in the rechargeable battery world: sodium-ion batteries. These batteries have gained attention as a potential alternative to lithium-ion batteries due to their abundance and lower cost. Sodium-ion batteries use sodium ions instead of lithium ions for energy storage. While they are still under development and face certain challenges, such as lower energy density compared to lithium-ion batteries, sodium-ion batteries have shown promising potential, especially in large-scale energy storage applications. Their ability to utilize widely available sodium resources and their potential for safer, more sustainable energy storage makes them an exciting technology to watch. Now that we've covered the key rechargeable kings, let's compare them side by side. Lead-acid batteries offer reliability and affordability but have lower energy density. Lithium-ion batteries dominate the consumer electronics and electric vehicle markets, with their high energy density and quick charging capabilities. However, they come with safety concerns. Sodium-ion batteries, still in development, offer potential cost advantages and use abundant resources, but they have lower energy density and require further research and improvement. As we look to the future, advancements in rechargeable battery technology continue to unfold. Researchers and scientists are constantly exploring new materials and designs to improve energy storage, enhance safety, and reduce environmental impact. Whether it's the quest for higher energy densities or the development of alternative battery chemistries, the rechargeable battery landscape is an exciting field of innovation. And that concludes our exploration of the rechargeable kings: lead-acid batteries, lithium-ion batteries, and sodium-ion batteries. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, and they have revolutionized the way we power our world. Which rechargeable king do you think will rule the future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.